Hey everybody, it's Wheelcollectors today. We got something brand new in that not many people have. It's called SATIN and Chrome. We've been waiting for this to come in for months now, and luckily we're one of the first people on the planet to have it in stock. So we'd like to show you a little unboxing today. Just gonna pull these out 3x3. 24 cars in a box. Okay, the first 3 cars are all El Caminos. The next 3 cars are all Aristo rats. The next 3 cars are Superbirds. Also, I do want to mention that this is a 6-car set. So there's also included in the case, there'll be a chase car, a gold plated Gotta Go. Very similar to the Camaro in the previous black and gold series, but this is the Satin Chrome series. 2 of those cars were 62 Chevys, and then here's a nice little close-up of the Gotta Go. The next row, we've got 2 more Chevy 2 63s, and then custom 67 Pontiac Firebird. The next row, we have 3 custom 67 Pontiac Firebirds. And then finally in the last row, got 6 more cars. We've got the 67 Pontiac Firebird and 2 Datsun Wagons. And then the last 3 cars are 3 more Datsun 510 Wagons. One of the best cars that Mattel has done in the last decade. Super highly sought after. That one's going to be blazingly hot. Here's just a quick overview of the case. 24 cars in all. Come grab some today at Wheelcollectors on eBay.